How to remove limitations from PayPal account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Did you know you can easily remove the limitations from PayPal account? PayPal may impose limitation on your account for various reasons such as security concern or suspicious activity. So here are some of the steps that you can consider to remove this limitation. So first and foremost, you need to verify your identity. For that, you may have to update your personal details or verify your email address or your phone number or any of the missing information. In order to do so, you can tap on the hamburger icon and head over to the settings option. In here, you can select on the account option. Then right at the below, make sure that you have verified your nationality, your email address, your mobile number, and your address. After that, it may help you to limit or remove the limitations from your PayPal account. Next step is to enable the two-factor authentication. For that, you can check out the security section. The two-step verification will add an extra layer of security to your account, which will help during the time of any of the suspicious activity. Also ensure you are using a strong password. To enable the two-factor authentication, navigate to two-factor verification, click on it. Then you can use an authenticator app, usually Google Authenticator app, which is easily available for your App Store and Play Store, or you can use a security key device as well. If none of this help, you can actually check out the Help Center of PayPal. For that, you can tap on the three-line icon again and click on the Help option to head over to the Help section. Or at the side, you may see such icon like this. This is our PayPal customer service. By tapping on it, we can easily chat with a bot or an agent regarding our issue. They may assist you with the solution as well. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.